Hello, Great Fours. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for the Zoom meeting earlier. I think it went really well. So, as you guys know, Thursdays are for homework review. We did go over the homework in the Zoom meeting, but for those of you that didn't watch it, I also want to remind you guys that in the next day or two, I will send out another video highlighting some key grammar that you guys should kind of know. It might be very basic for some of you guys, but it'll just highlight verbs, nouns, pronouns, adjectives, that kind of stuff, just to maybe refresh you guys. Anyway, moving to the homework, I was on comparative and superlative. I think it was very easy, guys. I think the biggest issue was maybe the spelling of the words, but I mean this first page was ridiculously easy. Big, bigger, biggest, tall, taller, tallest, fast, faster, fastest, light, lighter, and lightest. That was extreme. And even this was, if you get the spelling right, very easy as well. So easy, easier, easiest, calm, calmer, calmest, cold, colder, coldest, simple, simpler, simplest, lovely, lovelier, loveliest, heavy, heavier, heaviest, brave, braver, bravest, smart, smarter, smartest, rich, richer, and richest, and finally long, longer, and longest. So I think you guys got this pretty well. I think it's a very confusing, terminology. The comparative and superlative sounds very confusing, but if you break it down into what it actually is, I think it's pretty simple. I'm glad you guys all seem to have got it pretty relatively easily. Sorry guys, I forgot to write the name there for some reason, or didn't save. So what is AJ's full name? And it is Anthony James. What do you think a fantasy story is? Now, you guys could have written, in your own words. This isn't a set in stone answer, but a fantasy story is a story where a make believe setting or where characters do things they couldn't in reality. For example, the hamster pulling out the plug. The hamster in real life wouldn't have any coordination or strength or the knowledge to do that. They'd probably bite through the cord, if anything. Who is telling the story for the most part of the text? Mr. Humphrey the hamster. Why is Humphrey getting so frustrated at the TV? Humphrey is nocturnal and cannot sleep at night with the TV lights and noise. Furthermore, the TV is always on. Why does Humphrey feel it is necessary to pull the plug on the TV? Humphrey does because he is very tired and knows that this will be a long weekend if he doesn't do something. Yeah, so fantastic guys. That's the end of the video. Nice, short and sweet. Hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll speak to you guys soon.